Okay, on display here we have the Hamilton Beach upright freezer. This is a 11 cubic feet freezer. And one of the best things about this freezer is right there, it says that it's garage ready. So a lot of people, they buy these freezers and they put them out in their garage as just an extended unit to their kitchen freezer or their refrigerator freezer. And putting them out in the garage sometimes have to be like temperature controlled. And this one being garage ready means that when you put it out there, and if you live in a cold climate, that you don't have to worry about the you don't have to worry about going in defrost mode or anything like that, or lowering the temperature. Here's what the inside of this thing looks like. They have like this frosted glass look so that you can just pull out the drawers and put all your goods in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 drawers to this thing. There are no shelves on the side, so it's all drawer space. This is the thickness of it. Kind of give you a visual of it. And then this is how you control the settings up here. This is to make it colder. Now, the thing I don't like about this is that it is frosted instead of being just a clear glass, because I kind of would rather have a clear glass so that way you could see right through it. But that's about the only knock with it. Other than that, this is a nice unit to maybe use for your garage. And here are some of the other features with it, as far as your 5 years total, on-site repairs, and fast replacements. Right there, Hamilton Beach, 11 cubic feet.